Si ate guys ay isang homeless. Pero nung pinakanta, may boses pala. Tapos nilagyan ng background music. Pakinggan natin.
And when I hold you in my arms, I promise you, you're gonna feel love that's beautiful and new.
Diba may boses?
This time I love you even better than I ever did before. And you'll be in my heart forevermore.
Partido na sa kalsada pa yan.
We're just too young to know we fell in love and let it go. So easy to say the words goodbye, so hard to